Hey guys, today we are making these luscious lemon blueberry cupcakes. They start off with a light lemon cupcake base, and then they are filled with our homemade blueberry curd, topped with a blueberry frosting and drizzled with a lemon drizzle. They are so good. They are gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and can easily be made vegan. So come on, let's make them. First, we're going to start off by zesting and juicing our lemons. We need these for the cupcakes. But next, we're going to make our blueberry curd. That needs to be made first. So we're going to take our granulated sugar, our cornstarch, kosher salt, and we're just going to whisk it together. Next, add in our milk, orange juice, and mix it together again till it's nice and smooth, no lumps. Add in our blueberries, and then we're going to set over medium heat, bring to a boil. Once boiling, cook for an additional minute, then pull off the heat, add our butter and vanilla, and whisk again until the butter is fully incorporated. Pour it through a mesh colander or a sieve, give it a whisk again, and now we're just gonna let it sit at room temperature until it is cool. Next, we are going to take gluten-free flour and cornstarch and mix them together. We're essentially making a gluten-free cake flour. Add our baking powder, baking soda, and our kosher salt, and we're going to whisk them together. Then we're going to take cornstarch and water and mix them together until it is thin and watery. Next, we are going to take butter, granulated sugar, and mix it until it is smooth and creamy for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add in our cornstarch water, sour cream, pure vanilla extract, vegetable oil, and our lemon juice and lemon zest from earlier. Slowly add in the gluten-free flour mixture a little at a time. Then, after that, add in the milk and beat until just combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, and we're going to line our cupcake tin. Oops. Scoop our batter into the tin 3/4 of the way. We don't want to fill it all the way to the top. We do not want it overflowing. If they are lumpy, just smooth the batter because the batter will be very thick. Next, we're going to bake for 24 minutes. Now let's make the frosting. Take our butter, confectioner's sugar, our blueberry curd from earlier, and we're just going to beat it until it is combined. Once combined, we're just going to add a little bit of water and mix until nice and smooth. It's that simple. Next, we're going to make holes in our cupcakes. You can use a piping bag. I just like to use clean fingers. It works just as well. We're going to pipe in our blueberry curd. It's okay if a little spills out of the top. Take confectioner's sugar, lemon juice, water, turmeric, and mix it all together until combined. Add in the lemon zest and mix again. Now we're going to frost our cupcakes. I like to just pipe a little dollop right over the curd so it doesn't spill out. But if you don't have a piping bag, you can still use an icing spatula. Just frost a very thin layer first and then pop them in the fridge for about 15 minutes. And then you can take them out and frost the rest, just so the curd doesn't spill everywhere. Next, we are going to drizzle the lemon on top of our cupcakes. I even like to put a little dollop of our curd as well so that it has nice, pretty dark purple color as contrast. I hope you guys love these as much as we do. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.